Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you this video how to organize your airdrops, because you know that I have been doing a lot of videos about airdrops, for example about Optimism, Arbitrum, SUI, Zeta chain, Zksync, and you may lost track of what you have been done on what is the status of any airdrop. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how I am doing that, and I will give you the files so you can download it and do it yourself. I'm going to take an example, for example Arbitrum, and I will explain you what I am doing here to organize my airdrop and the complete list of all the airdrops that you are going to follow up. If you are interested in this, please watch the video until the end. You will need this for the future airdrops. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Well guys, like you know, my channel has been moving a little bit into airdrops lately, because in the bear market you just can DCA for lower prices. But in the meantime, you don't have too much to do, so it's a good moment to get into airdrops because there are many important projects around here. So you can see that I have been covering the major airdrops right now, and we are going to continue covering airdrops on this channel. At some point, everything here gets messed up. You lose track of what you did, what you didn't do in your airdrop, what airdrops are you trying to get, and which ones are already passed. So you need to be organized. I need to tell you that many people live from airdrops. They don't have any jobs, they dedicate their lives to get airdrops from projects, and they live very well doing that. So you can take this as serious as you want. You may want just to do one airdrop and it's okay for you, but if you're serious with this, you can really make a lot of money with airdrops. But in order to do that, you need to consider it as a job too. So you need to see how much level of compromise you want to put on this. Of course, I am not alone here at Cryptocurrency State. We have a team that helps me to get into the airdrops and everything that I post in my videos. But I will tell you how we organize this and how I am doing it right now. Also, don't forget to follow me in Twitter at CryptoState, because I put interesting stuff here and maybe things that you miss on my videos. For example, for PAX World, Crypto Banter just did a giveaway with more tokens on land, and I just put that into Twitter because it wasn't there when I did my PAX World video, which is my previous video. So go into Twitter and also apply to this Gleam link, because it's very easy and you can earn some land which has a real big value in the future. Now let's go directly to the video. So this price sheet I already shared. You will see it in the link on the description and also in a pinned comment after the video goes out. And you have full access to enter into this link. You don't need to request any permission for that. So you can enter here. And guys, you can go to file and export it. You can download it, this Excel, so you have it in your computer, because you are not going to be able to modify this Excel. But if once that you've downloaded it, it's on your computer, you can do whatever you want here. So this file has two tags here. You can see the airdrop organizer, and you can see that says Arbitrum Airdrop. This is a particular airdrop that I am following. So you usually are going to have one tag for each of your airdrops that you are following. And this is like your main dashboard. So basically what I have here is the date. This is the date that I did the video or I started into the airdrop. You can confirm this date with the dates of my videos here. Then the protocol name, what is the project that I am following, the website of the project and the Twitter of the project, because you need to be up to date with news. So you can just, using this spreadsheet, go directly to the Twitter, see if there are any news about the airdrop or not. Then the airdrop status, this is, like the name say, the status of the airdrop, and the parameters here are potential, confirm, and distributed. So most of them are in potential because the project doesn't say that they are going to do an airdrop really soon. After they took the snapshot, maybe they are going to announce the airdrop, But before that, for example, Sui Network is completely denying the airdrop, but eventually I think they are going to do it. So you can see that most of them say potential, and the percentage here is only my subjective gut of how much potential we have in this airdrop in terms of being done. So Sui Network is constantly denying, so I'm still think that I'm going to have an airdrop, but I am less confident than, for example, with Arbitrum. I am really sure that eventually they are going to have a token like Optimism and other layer 2 solutions. You can see here how confident I am in terms of if we are going to have an airdrop or not. And for example, Password already confirmed that, and in my last video you can enter there. The net status is what is the status of the net. Sometimes you do the airdrop in mainnet directly, which is better. Sometimes in DevNet, like Sui, that already reseated the network more than 3 times, so you need to do everything again. So this is good to know, and you need to be updating this as soon as you know. Then, to what blockchain or project belongs this? Sometimes this is a protocol and blockchain itself. Sometimes, like for example, Quantum Liquid Swap is a DX which belongs to a blockchain, in this case Aptos. So this is also important information. The availability of the airdrop or not is still available. Well, I follow the information of the different projects and I update this information. So most of them are still available. Some of them have already until when you can apply here. And then you have my YouTube video link on where I explain how to do everything on each of these. And also the link to the spreadsheet if I have it in the spreadsheet or not. That spreadsheet is the other that I have been already sharing with you guys. Like you can see, there are people connected right now. And this has each of the steps for each airdrop. Of course, sometimes get outdated. I try to keep it updated. But here you can go and do everything with these links and my video. You can do everything. So, because sometimes you need to keep doing transactions and stuff, you just go here and you see, for example, layer 0. You can see my video and go to the link and you are going to be able to do everything. And the status is if I already did this or not. For example, for Optimism, forget the 18 NFTs. I am still in progress. I didn't do everything, so I am still doing it. And repeated is how many times I did what I put in the video. Because sometimes you need to do more transactions, liquidity pools, and still keep moving. So I put a number here on how many times I already did it. You can do this or not. But anyways, these are all the parameters here. And as soon as I continue getting videos, I'm going to continue following up this list. So you will have it up to date, guys. So if you have any doubt, you can go to this link. So put the link of this video in your favorites, in your browser. So you can come back here if your own list is up to date. So my new videos are going to appear here. So you get everything updated. So now that you have here what is the status of all your airdrops, you need to start doing your job in a particular airdrop. In this video I'm going to take an example of Arbitrum, but you should create another tag for each of the projects. So what I do here is just talk about the specific airdrop. So Arbitrum Airdrop, I put in this column all the tasks that I need to do. And all these tags, you can see it from the videos that I do. So you can copy it from the other airdrops video from here, for example. So you can have here for layer 0 bridge on one exchange, transfer here on swap. So with all that information and what I do in the videos, you create your list of tasks. For Arbitrum, and I use Arbitrum because it was the more complex airdrop that we have in the airdrop organizer. From here, this is the most important one right now. And we have a lot of tasks to do here. And you can see all that in my videos. If you go to videos and search for Arbitrum, you will get all my Arbitrum airdrops of how to DAO voting, the NFTs that you need, the multi-sign wallet, the Gitcoin donation, Arbitrum Nova and everything. So with that, I create this list. So I need to bridge from Ethereum to Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova. I don't do this all the days. I only do it one per week around that. So you can see that I have here dates. this is the moment that I started to do this airdrop. So the first day that I say, well, I'm going to start doing the Arbitrum airdrop, when I launch a video, you go here, you put your dates, you can copy and continue moving this forward in time. So the first day I did the bridge from Ethereum to Arbitrum 1, so I just put this green rectangle that is like saying yes, I did it. The red one, of course, is no, I didn't do this. So basically I'm bridging one each 10 days. Just a small amount just to keep that bridge alive. The same with Arbitrum Nova. So you can see here, this is green, then it's red, green again in this date. So for swap on Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova, I do that each 48 hours. So you can see each 2 days I am doing a swap. Maybe a small amount, sometimes a big amount, and then the next time I did the opposite. So I only pay the fees, which are really low in Arbitrum, and the same for Arbitrum Nova. Then create your Nosy Safe multi-sign wallet, which is one of the videos that you can see here, the Arbitrum multi-sign wallet. This you need to do it one time, it's created. So I didn't do it the first 2 days here, I did it the 16th of September, and then this gray cell means that you don't need to do it anymore. Swaps, you need to continue doing it until at least you know that the snapshot was taken. But then the swap with a multi-sign wallet, yes, I started to do it there, continue doing it each 2 days. Sometimes I didn't do it because I forget, guys, like anyone can happen, but I really registered that. I registered that I forget, so I put red here, and then green again, all the way here. Then the guild, this is the guild for Arbitrum where you complete some task. I did it once completely, then you can see it's all red because I didn't need to do anything, but sometimes they add a new token, so you need to do and aggregate that, do that again. So you can see that here I went again. Time to time I will go here to the guild and check it that everything is done for me, and then continue red. Then Git coin donor, I did it just in this time, just donated once a couple of projects into Ethereum and in Arbitrum, and then I didn't do it again. Just did it once. DAO voter, all these are in my videos, guys. DAO voter, Git coin donor, you can check it there. I just bought in Curve on Ethereum because for Optimism 1 they covered that if you were a donor in Ethereum it was enough. So I didn't vote in any particular stuff on the snapshot of Arbitrum because I couldn't. So I bought into Curve project itself, which is Ethereum based project, and that will count according what happened with Optimism. So I bought it there and didn't vote anymore. And Arbitrum Odyssey was in pause. I bought one NFT from Odyssey, the one that was available, but couldn't do anything more because of the project itself. And here is the link for my Arbitrum videos if you want to check everything, this playlist. So guys, this is for the particular Arbitrum airdrop. I have all the tasks that I need to do and keep doing there. Some of them, you can see, we are not going to do anything else, but some of them we continue doing stuff. For example, swapping in Arbitrum 1, Nova, using the multi-sign wallet, and checking the guild, we continue doing that over time. So guys, this is how I organize everything with my airdrops. I have my dashboard here. This is my airdrop organizer where I can quickly check here and see everything. And you can see that I already have filters here. So here you can filter here. If you want to clear everything and just select Arbitrum, you click there, click OK, and you only are going to see Arbitrum here. If you are going to see only one, then you can clear, select all, and put everything how it was. Or maybe you want to know which ones are still available and which ones no. So you clear here everything, click only yes, put OK, and you only see which ones are still available. So you can filter here many different parameters that you want, but basically with this you will be able to see everything. Sometimes you only want to go to the specific blockchain, let's say layer 2 solutions. You want to do only the layer 2 solution, so you click there, click OK, and you filter and see all the projects that are layer 2 solutions. So guys, that is all for this. I think I was pretty clear with everything. You will have access to this document too. So once you go here, you can go click to file, download it, and download it as an Excel file, and you will have it in your computer and you're done. From here you can start moving. So you can copy this, for example, and duplicate this tag. You will have some dates here, and you need to change this from the different airdrops that you have. Arbitrum is very complex. Some of them you only will have 3 or 4 tasks and then your timeline here. So you can do that. I think this will help you a lot to organize you guys. So put your loves in the comment sections if this is worth it and help you. And you will have already access to this, and also you will still have access to the step-by-step on each of the videos that I publish. With this guys, my hope and why I'm doing this is because I really want that all of you gain a lot of money with these airdrops. I want my community flourish in money with me during this crypto journey, and airdrops right now are a hot thing to get free money. So instead of pushing you to trading, which is something that I do also, I think it's more easy starting to airdrops, and also to know how to do everything so you are comfortable with the crypto ecosystem. Guys, I hope we all get a lot of money with airdrops. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. Like the video to show your love to me, and also share this video in any of your social media so you help me to grow the channel. Again, thank you for everything, and I hope with this you can organize your airdrops. And I will see you with the next airdrop video. Bye.